Welcome to this meditation for emotional balance. Life's ups and downs can sometimes leave us feeling overwhelmed or out of control. Today, we'll take a moment to center ourselves, to find emotional balance and to cultivate a sense of peace and harmony within. Begin by finding a comfortable seated position. You may sit in a chair or on a cushion with your spine straight but relaxed. Rest your hands gently in your lap or on your knees. When you're ready, softly close your eyes and start by taking a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Let's take 2 more deep breaths, inhaling deeply and exhaling slowly, letting go of any tension you might be holding. Allow yourself to arrive fully in this moment. Now let your breath settle into a natural rhythm. As you breathe in, feel your body expand gently. And as you breathe out, feel yourself releasing any tension, stress, or emotional heaviness. With each breath, allow yourself to become more present, more aware. In this moment, we're going to explore our emotions with mindfulness. Often, emotions can feel overwhelming, but today we will simply observe them, allowing them to flow through us without judgment. As you continue to breathe, begin to bring your awareness to how you're feeling right now. Gently scan your body and mind for any emotions that are present. You may feel a sense of calm, or perhaps there's tension, sadness, frustration, or even joy. Whatever emotions arise, allow them to be here. There's no need to push them away or change them. Simply acknowledge their presence like a gentle observer. You are not your emotions. You are the space in which they exist. Now, as you sit with your emotions, imagine each one as a small wave in the ocean. Some waves may be larger than others, but they all rise and fall naturally. Emotions, like waves, are temporary. They come and go. With each breath, allow yourself to observe these emotional waves, letting them move through you without resistance. Watch as they rise, peak, and eventually fade, returning to the calm waters beneath. You don't need to control or hold on to any of them. Just let them flow. Now, bring your attention to the breath once again. Notice how the breath is always steady, always present, no matter what emotions are rising or falling within you. In this way, the breath is like an anchor, a constant source of balance and calm. With each inhale, breathe in a sense of stability and grounding. With each exhale, release any emotional heaviness or tension. As you continue to breathe, silently repeat to yourself, I am calm, I am balanced, I am at peace. Feel these words sink deeper into your body and mind, creating a space of calm and balance within you. If any strong emotions arise, simply acknowledge them, let them pass, and return to the breath. Remind yourself that emotions are natural and it's okay to feel them. But they do not define you. You are the calm observer, the one who is steady, grounded, and at peace. Now we'll take a moment to reflect on a feeling of compassion for ourselves. Emotions are a natural part of being human, and it's important to approach them with kindness. In this moment, offer yourself kindness and acceptance, no matter what emotions are present. Repeat to yourself, "It's okay to feel what I'm feeling. I accept myself as I am." Feel the warmth of compassion spreading through your body, allowing you to embrace your emotions with a sense of peace. As we bring this meditation to a close, take a moment to appreciate the sense of balance you've created here. Know that this space of calm and emotional balance is always within you, available whenever you need it. You can return to your breath at any time to find this sense of peace and stability. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Begin to gently wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing small movements back into your body. Slowly roll your shoulders or stretch if that feels good. When you're ready, softly open your eyes, carrying this sense of emotional balance with you into the rest of your day. Thank you for joining me for this meditation.